Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Discord Nitro. So if you want to get Discord Nitro, just go to your upper right corner. You're going to have your friends by default. And if you want to go to Discord Nitro and get the service, just click on Nitro here. And you're going to have two options. You're going to have the basic one and I would assume a premium version, which has more perks, right? So if you want to get, for example, in this video, let's try to get the basic one. So click subscribe and a pop-up will appear. So this pop-up will show you two options. You can either choose yearly or monthly. So yearly is going to be able, you're going to be able to save 16%. So most of the time with annual services like this, Discord and other services, yearly or annual plans, you save around 16 to 20, 24%, even 25% sometimes. So for example, let's just use yearly, click select, and you're gonna choose your payment method. It's either card, PayPal, or here in my country, Gcash. So for example, click card, and here you're gonna, of course, put in your card information, your card number, expiration date, CVC or security code, and then your full name that is in your card. After that, it's a very streamlined process. You go through everything. There's a confirmation notification and so on and so forth, and after that you'll be good to go. So that's how you do that's how you get Discord Nitro. So there's another way to get Discord Nitro, sometimes for free, if you have Epic Games installed, like what I have right now. So just type in Nitro and in the search bar at Epic Games, and you're gonna see Discord. So click on Discord, and here you're gonna see get, right? It says free, so click get. And it's gonna load the order. Now you can get Discord Nitro, so click agree, place order. As you can see, it doesn't have anything. It's completely free. Place order. And there you go, right? Let's wait for it to load. And there you have it. We have Discord Nitro for free. And you need to take note that this doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes the product is still going to be there, Discord Nitro is still going to be there, but it's not going to be available. It's available every once in a while, holidays or special events or whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.